guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing with you guys, and I decided to do it a little bit different than I usually do. I usually unbox it and try it on as I go and kind of create a makeup look, but tonight I really wanted to sit down and challenge myself and concentrate and really play with all the products that I got in the box, and then I could give you a really honest, true review of what I think of the products because I've already put them on my face, had them on my face for a while, and really got a feel for how they apply and what the quality is and if I like them or not. So let me know if you guys like this kind of unboxing or if you would prefer me to go back to my normal try it on as I go process. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It comes with 5 to 6 full-size products and it costs $21 a month. The amazing thing about Boxycharm is that for $21 a month, you get 5 to 6 full-size products, and the retail value of the box is always well over $100. So you definitely get your money's worth plus more. If you're interested in trying Boxycharm for yourself, I'll have a link down below you can click on and it'll take you right where you need to go to sign up. So let's go ahead and get started on this unboxing. The first thing that I want to talk about that came in Boxycharm this month is these 3 Lexi brushes. And every month Boxycharm comes with a card that lists all the products, what they are and their retail value in it. And this is what it looks like this month. The theme is Caribbean Queen. This 3-piece flawless complexion set is a retail value of $42. So the brushes are this Lexi 660 precision brush or precision foundation brush. I already have this Lexi 660 brush. I like to use it for highlighting and contouring, but I've never used it for foundation. But I think it would probably be nice to use to apply concealer to the under eye area. I might try that and see what I think, but I do love this brush. The next one is the Luxie 516 brush, and this is a duo fiber powder brush. I didn't use this for powder actually. I used it to contour, I thought, because it had a really kind of narrow tip and it was really fluffy, that it might be nice to do a really mild contour, nothing too harsh. But I like how my contour looks today actually. It's not too crazy, but it's also blended nicely and I feel like it carved out my cheeks really well. Next brush that is in the set is this Lexi 522 brush, and it is a tapered highlighter brush. And I did actually use it for highlighting and it was nice. It reminds me a lot of the 660 actually. It's very similar in how it looks. It's just a little bit more narrow, but really it's very similar to this brush, and I use this brush often for highlighting. So the next thing that came in the box is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. I am wearing it on my lips actually. I love Ofra lipsticks. I love their formula. They're not too drying. They feel really good on the lips. I am a matte lipstick girl, so it's really nice when I can find matte liquid lipsticks that don't dry my lips out, because my lips are already really dry. So the last thing I need is a really drying liquid lipstick. So I appreciate that this feels really good on the lips and it doesn't cause them to be more dry. So this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a $21 value. Now I haven't actually opened this cream because I knew I was going to use it for my makeup, so I thought I would just try it on camera with you guys. It's this Sol de Janiero fast absorbing body cream. It's the Beazilian Bumbum cream, and I've heard a lot about this. I have never tried it, but everyone that talks about it says it's amazing and it smells incredible, so I'm excited to try it for myself. I think this is more of a sample size. From what I've seen, the actual ones you buy in the store are bigger, but I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I've never bought it, but I feel like I've seen them in bigger containers than this. Whoop. All right, well, I will just use what fell off of this on my hand right there. It smells very tropical. It smells like pina colada a little bit to me, like kind of coconutty, kind of pineapple, very tropical. It smells really good and it feels really, really nice on the skin. This Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bumbum Cream is a retail value of $10. These Battington Monroe Silk Lashes. I'm actually wearing them right now. I put them on for this makeup look. It says here they are 3D multi-layered silk lashes. They're supposed to enhance your look with moderate length. And they're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. I will agree that they are moderate length. They're not too dramatic by any means. My only beef with these lashes actually, and I'll put them on the screen so you guys can see what they look like when they're not on my eyes up here, but my only beef with these lashes is that they are $28 retail value, which is a little crazy to me. I feel like there are a few different drugstore lashes that I like much more than these that cost like a fifth of what these lashes do. So not sure why they're that expensive, but they're nice lashes. If they last up to 25 applications, they might be worth the cost, but only time will tell. So yeah, I mean, I like them. I think they look really pretty, but still $28, that's hefty for lashes. So I realized the background is different, and that is because for some reason I forgot to review this eyeliner pencil that came in Boxycharm as well, which is funny because I actually used it as part of the makeup look I did with the Boxycharm products, but I forgot to talk about it for some reason. I think it's because deep down I was like, so as you can probably tell, I wasn't a huge fan of this eyeliner pencil. When I tried to apply it to my tight line and my lash line, it was actually really rough. It didn't apply easily. It didn't glide on easy. It was just really, really rough, and it didn't feel very good. Putting anything in your tight line isn't fun, but when the pencil is rough, it's a no-go. It is the Jonteblu waterproof eyeliner pencil, and it is in the shade Charcoal. This eyeliner pencil retails for $5. And then we'll go ahead and get back to our usual background now. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the thing I'm most excited about that came in this box, and it is this eyeshadow palette. I'd seen teasers, like I said before, about this palette, and people created so many different beautiful eye looks using this palette, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it and try it for myself, and I was not disappointed. It is called the Reina de Caribe. I'm going to butcher all the names in this palette. I apologize in advance, but it is by Alamar Cosmetics, and it says that this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush, the sun symbol, for application with a dry brush. When you open the palette, I'll show you what it looks like. These are the shades. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that you get these really beautiful warm tone shades and these shimmery cool tone shades up here. Like it said in there, it gives you droplets for the shimmery shades up here that can be used wet, and then the sun for the shades that you use with a dry brush, the matte shades down here. I opened this up and I was like, I'm going to challenge myself, and I'm going to attempt to use every single color in this palette on my eyeballs, and I did that. So I'll kind of explain to you what I did on my eyes. I started with this shade right here called Cocoa Taxi, and I used that for my transition shade. It's this beautiful warm orange shade. It has amazing pigment to it. It is opaque, so they're not lying about that. I feel like all these shades are pretty opaque. It's blended beautifully. It is super creamy. I have no complaints about the application of these eyeshadows at all, so I won't repeat that over and over again. And then I placed Tropico and Guantanamera and Cafecito. All of these I placed in my crease, and then I cut my crease, as you can see, and then I first started placing this Cocoa Taxi right in the inner corner of my eyes, and then I decided that I wanted it to be shimmery, so I took this El Malacone or Malacone, not sure how to pronounce it. And I put that right on top of the orange on my inner corner to give it more of a gold look. Then I put Tropico in the center, and then Guantanamera on the outer corner, and then I added a little bit of Cafecito on the outer corner as well, just to give it a little bit more depth. And then of course on the lower lash line, I put Celia I believe, and then right up really close to the lash line, on top of that I put Verodero, and I also put Verodero with a wet brush on my waterline. If you guys like how this look turned out and you want to see me recreate it, let me know and I'll do a makeup tutorial on it for you guys. But it was really, really fun to do, and I just wish that I didn't have to wash my face after this. Oh, and I also put La Costa right on my inner corners and then on my brow bone, and I actually used it to highlight my nose as well. It's a beautiful color. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you so you guys can see what they look like on my skin. This is La Costa right there. And then this is El Malacone, not sure which one. I love that shade. This one is Verodero. I get an F for swatching, I know you guys. It's not my strongest suit here. And then the last shimmery shade is Celia, which I'll put right here. Oh, those are so pretty. I'll put the matte shades up here. I'll start on the matte shades. This one is Tropico. I forgot to do Coco Taxi. Here's Coco Taxi right in front of that. Here is Guantanamera and Cafecito right there. So I think I swiveled my finger on those shadows maybe twice. So the color payoff is amazing. Can't really see that. We can't see those ones very well because of the way my arm is contorted, but they're beautiful shades. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that the retail value of this eyeshadow palette is $28. So I'm doing this all in my head. So hopefully I'm right, but I believe the total value of all the products in this box is around $134. So that is pretty awesome. If you guys have Boxycharm, please comment below and let me know what you thought of this month's box. If you are interested in me recreating this look, please let me know as well, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked the way that I unboxed this month, and if you prefer me to go back to the way that I used to do it where I try everything on as I unbox, let me know and I will do that. I just thought I would try something different and see if this could be a quicker, better option if you guys prefer that. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.